Good morning students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to revise the topic simple future. Okay, we are going to discuss the structure one by one for each and every sentences. I'll be giving you examples also, and if you want to note it down, you can note it down in the copies also. Okay, in simple future, simply understand what is the meaning of it. First you understand the meaning. Simple future tells you about an action which will be performed later than now. Okay, meaning an action that will be performed in future. Okay, the topmost structure that is written over here is meant for the declarative sentence, where we have the subject can be first person, second person, third person, or singular or plural. Okay, subject can be any, it can be of your choice. Then comes the helping verb. The helping verb that we use for simple future is will. We use will in for simple future tense. Will, the helping verb will is used for future tense. And the main verb will be present in its original form. That is subject plus helping verb plus main verb. Example, he will come, she will go, they will arrive. These are the example of simple future tense, and tense future timing is described by using the helping verb will. If you don't use will, it becomes a simple sentence, simple present. They came. Okay. The second structure that you see over here is meant for a negative sentence. In negative sentence, we don't have any much changes. We just have to add not with the sentence, with the helping verb. So suppose in first sentence you wrote they will come, he will go. So over here when you add not to it, the sentence becomes he will not go, she will not come, they will not go, they will not eat. Okay. Now talking about the question, how do we form question for simple future? Okay, both these structure that you see is meant for interrogative sentences, meaning the questions. But the first one is meant for yes/no question, and the other one is meant for information question. Yes/no question can be answered in yes or no. While forming question, we use the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. The helping verb that we are using to represent future is will. Subject, let's take he as subject, third person. Will he come? Okay, will he come? Question mark. Since it's a question, we have to give a question mark. Again, in the second structure for interrogative sentence that is meant for information question, we just have to add the question word at the beginning of the sentence, and that becomes information question. Okay, meaning question words are those words which starts with the letter WH. When will he sing? When will he go? When will he leave? Okay. So this is the structure. These are the structure for simple future. Declarative, negative, yes/no question and information question. Now we shall discuss about future continuous. Okay. Okay. Now the structure that you are seeing over here is meant for future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? Meaning the verb continued for a certain time in future. Okay. So the first structure that you see is again for declarative sentence, negative, yes/no question and information question. The structure for continuous tense, we have a simple change. Okay. We have to make use of be, and the main verb will be in ing form. Okay, since it is continuous tense, we have to make use of the ing form of the main verb. Subject, helping verb, again helping verb that we have to use over here is will. Okay, helping verb that we have to use, it will be will. Main verb, suppose sing is the main verb, we have to add ing to the verb. This becomes future continuous tense. He will be singing. You can see that be is a new thing that we have added over here, and the ing form. Again, for negative sentence, helping verb plus not. Will not be singing. he will not be singing, she will not be singing, okay? Then how to form question? Again, at the beginning we use the helping verb, then the subject, and we use be after the subject when you are forming question for future continuous. Again, the verb will be in ing form. Add a question word at the beginning, it becomes information question. If you want, please note it down, please revise the structures. I have already taught you many times. Please revise the structure and try to write more and more sentences looking at these structures. If you don't write sentences, if you don't practice it, you will forget everything. So it's my request to you all, please write few sentences every day for each and every tense. Okay? Okay, so now we are going to discuss the structure for future perfect tense. Okay, now in future perfect tense, we have to see the structure first. At the beginning of the sentence, we use the subject, we write the subject. Then we use the helping verb will, as we all know, for future we have to make use of will. Then we use have and the main verb. The main verb is to be present in past participle form. Suppose gone, go, went, gone, the third form of the verb. Subject, again, now you can see that a sentence is formed using this structure. I will have gone. Okay? And this is the structure for declarative sentences. If you want to change this structure into negative sentence, you just have to add not with the helping verb. You add not to it, it becomes negative sentence. Where do we have to add not with the helping verb? Now to transform it into an interrogative sentence, yes no question, we have to use the helping verb at the beginning. Meaning helping verb plus subject plus the plus have and the main verb in past participle form with a question mark. Okay? So again the question becomes, will I have gone? Will I have gone? Okay? Again, add a question word to it. It becomes information question. When will I have gone? Okay? So this is the structure for future perfect tense. Okay? Now we are coming to future perfect continuous. As you can see that we have used the helping verb will and have. In future perfect continuous, we have to add one more thing, that is been. Subject plus helping verb plus have been plus the main verb. And since we are talking about the continuous tense, the main verb has to be present in ing form. Okay? Again, I will write in the same sentence. I will have been working. I will have been working. And this sentence is in future perfect continuous. Subject, helping verb, have been working. Okay? Now to change it into negative, again with helping verb we have to use not. Want to change it into a yes no question interrogative sentence, use the helping verb at the beginning. Helping verb plus subject plus have been and the main verb with a question mark. Main verb will be present in ing form, always remember, because it is in continuous tense. Okay? So when you bring the helping verb at the beginning, your sentence becomes will subject. Will I have been working? Will I have been working? This is the question now, which can be answered either in yes or no. Add a question word to it, it becomes a information question. Okay? When will I have been working? Where will I have been working? So these are the examples, these are the structures which you have to study. Please revise the structure and try to write more and more sentences. The more sentence you write, the topic will get more clearer. Okay? So I request everyone to write down few sentences for each and every structure that is taught to you. Okay? Thank you.